The name pomegranate derives from medieval Latin pomum, apple, and granatum, seeded. Possibly stemming from the Old French word for the fruit, pomme-grenade, the pomegranate was known in early English as apple of Grenada, a term which today survives only in heraldic blazons. The small pink seeds inside a pomegranate, called the arils, are the edible portion of the fruit. As intact sarcotestas or juice, pomegranates are used in baking, cooking, juice blends, meal garnishes, smoothies, and alcoholic beverages, such as cocktails and wine. Thank you for watching.